If you clicked on this video to discover 17 hidden car tricks most drivers never use, you're in exactly the right place. And we're not wasting time, we're starting with one of the quickest and most useful tricks in the entire video. Here's what's surprising. Your car probably has features you've seen hundreds of times without ever knowing what they actually do. They're built into the car from the factory. They don't cost anything to use, yet millions of drivers overlook them every single day. Now here's where it gets interesting. One trick later in this video could help you avoid locking yourself out of your car. Another could save you from an expensive repair. And one simple feature is so useful that after you see it, you'll probably wonder why you didn't discover it years ago. So what happens when you finally start using these overlooked features? Which one gives you the biggest everyday advantage? And why do so many drivers never notice them, even after owning the same car for years? Let's find out. Because hidden car trick number 17 is hiding in plain sight, and there's a good chance you've already looked right at it without realizing what it can do. Yeah, you've got exactly 3 seconds before trick number 17 starts. Use them to like the video and subscribe to the channel. 3, 2, 1. Let's get started with trick number 17. Secret number 17, rear wiper nozzle. You press the rear washer, and the spray flies over the glass or splashes below it. It looks like something's broken, right? Actually, on many cars, that tiny nozzle is meant to be adjusted. A small pin lets you gently change its angle until the spray lands exactly where it should. Watching it go from missing the window to covering the glass perfectly is oddly satisfying. And once you know this little factory feature exists, you'll never ignore it again. But if you think that's clever, secret number 16 solves a problem almost every driver has faced. Secret number 16. The traction control button. See the button with a car and wavy skid marks. Most drivers leave it alone because they think it's only another dashboard symbol. Here's the surprise. On slippery roads, it helps keep your tires from losing grip, but if you're buried in deep snow, sand, or mud, it can sometimes make escaping even harder. Switching it off briefly may give your wheels the freedom they need to get moving again. Just remember to turn it back on once you're free. And the next trick is hiding somewhere you've probably looked hundreds of times without noticing it. Secret number 15. Your parking brake's hidden job. Most people think the parking brake is only for keeping a parked car from rolling away, but it has another purpose you hope you'll never need. If your main brakes suddenly stop responding, it can help slow the vehicle when used correctly. Don't jerk it all at once, apply it gradually, or on many cars, press and hold the electronic parking brake switch. That helps reduce speed more smoothly while you stay in control. Knowing this backup function before an emergency is far better than trying to figure it out during one. And secret number 14 reveals a tiny dashboard detail millions of drivers overlook every day. Secret number 14. The recirculation button, stuck behind a smoky truck or driving through dusty roads. Before you crank up the AC, press the button with the car and the looping arrow. On many vehicles, it closes off outside air and circulates the cleaner cabin air instead. That can help reduce unwanted odors and make the cabin cool down faster on hot days. It's a small button many people overlook, yet using it at the right time can make every drive noticeably more comfortable. And secret number 13 reveals another everyday feature that's hiding in plain sight. Secret number 13, the hidden cabin air filter. Think your car has only one air filter? Most drivers do, but there's another one hiding behind the glove box or beneath the dashboard on many vehicles. It's called the cabin air filter, and it cleans the air before it reaches you. Once it gets clogged, airflow drops, and every drive can feel less comfortable. The surprising part. On many cars, replacing it takes just a few minutes. And secret number 12 reveals a feature you've probably used for years without knowing what it really does. Secret number 12. The sun visor extension. Ever notice the sun still hitting your eyes even after flipping the visor down? That's because many drivers miss one hidden detail. On many cars, the visor can slide outward to block the extra gap near the side window. It's a tiny feature that's easy to overlook until you need it most. Suddenly, the glare disappears, driving feels more comfortable, and you'll wonder how you went so long without using it. If this trick is helping you already, hit like and subscribe, because the next one is hiding under your hood. Secret number 11, your headrest's hidden design. Most drivers never remove their headrest, but it's designed to come out in seconds. That hidden feature makes it easier to adjust, replace, or create extra space when needed. You may have seen videos claiming the metal posts can break a side window in an emergency. While that has worked in some demonstrations, it isn't reliable on every vehicle. For emergencies, a purpose-built window breaker is the safer choice. And secret number 10 is a feature you've probably used for years without knowing its real purpose. Secret number 10, the fuel gauge arrow. Ever borrowed a car, pulled up to a gas pump, and suddenly wondered which side the fuel door was on? Oof, we've all been there. Before you step out to check, glance at the fuel gauge. On many cars, a small arrow beside the fuel pump icon points to the side of the fuel filler door. It's an easy detail to miss, but once you notice it, you'll never have to guess again. It's especially handy when driving a rental, a friend's car, or any vehicle you're not familiar with. And secret number 9 is another everyday feature hiding in plain sight. Secret number 9, trunk seat release. Ever tried folding the back seats and ended up walking around the car looking for the release? On many vehicles, you don't have to. Open the trunk and check near the top of the rear seat backs. You may find a pull strap or release lever that lets the seat fold forward right from the cargo area. It's a small convenience, but when you're loading long boxes, luggage, or sports gear by yourself, it can save time and effort. Once you discover it, you'll probably wonder why you never looked there before. And secret number 8 solves another everyday driving problem. Secret number 8, the hidden fuel cap holder. Next time you're filling up, take a quick look inside the fuel door. On many cars, there's a small slot or hook designed to hold the fuel cap while you pump. Most drivers never notice it and end up letting the cap dangle or placing it on the roof of the car. Using the built-in holder helps keep the cap secure and cleaner while you refuel. It's a tiny factory detail that's easy to miss, but once you spot it, you'll probably use it every single time. And secret number 7 is another clever feature hiding in plain sight. Secret number 6. The rear view mirror tab. Ever had bright headlights behind you? Make it hard to see at night. Before adjusting your mirror, look underneath it. Many manual rear view mirrors have a small tab that switches them into a night mode. A quick flip helps reduce glare from vehicles behind while still letting you see the road. It's a feature that's been around for years, yet many drivers never use it. If your car has an auto-dimming mirror, it handles this automatically. And secret number 5 is a hidden feature most owners discover only by accident. Secret number 5, the snowflake warning light. Ever noticed a small snowflake appear on your dashboard and wondered what it meant? On many cars, it's a warning that the outside temperature is getting low enough for roads to become slippery. It doesn't mean ice is definitely present, but it's a reminder to slow down and stay alert. Many drivers mistake it for a fault or simply ignore it. Once you know what it means, you'll never look at that little symbol the same way again. And secret number 4 reveals another feature hiding in plain sight. Secret number 4, the trunk escape handle. Here's a feature most drivers hope they'll never need. Many passenger cars have an emergency trunk release handle inside the trunk, often designed to glow, so it's easier to find in low light. Pulling it opens the trunk from the inside if someone becomes trapped. If your car has one, it's worth taking a minute to learn where it is before an emergency happens. It's a simple safety feature that many owners never notice. And secret number 3 reveals another hidden function that could surprise even experienced drivers. Secret number 3, tire pressure matters. Think your tire pressure warning is only about safety. It affects more than that. Tires with less air than recommended create extra rolling resistance, which can reduce fuel efficiency and cause uneven tire wear. The correct pressure is usually listed on the sticker inside the driver's door, not on the tire itself. A quick pressure check each month takes only a few minutes and can help your car drive more efficiently. It's a simple habit many drivers overlook until a warning light appears. And the top 2 secrets are even more surprising.